Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss that what does different instructions in IELTS listening mean. The instructions in the IELTS listening is completely based on words and numbers. Hence, it's very crucial to understand the difference between a word and a number, as this can impact your score on a large scale. The key distinction between a word and a number is that a word is typically any single unit of language. For example, a car, an apple, a university, and etc. Also, please note that in IELTS listening, hyphenated words, that means the words which have a hyphen between them, are counted as one word. Now, talking about a number refers to a digit or sequence of digits such as 5, 2024, or even 12th is counted as a number. Understanding this distinction helps when following specific instructions in the listening test, such as write one word and or a number. This ensures that you do not lose any marks due to the incorrect formatting or incorrect understanding of the instructions. Now, we are going to discuss each instruction of the IELTS listening test in detail. First, let's talk about the instruction write only one word. This means that your answer should consist only of a single word. For example, if the question is how many fingers are there in one human hand, if you have written the answer as numeric 5, you will be marked incorrect because it is a number and not a word. If you have written 5 fingers, it will also be marked incorrect because these are two words. If you have written numeric 5 along with fingers, it will also be marked incorrect as it consists of one number and one word. Finally, the correct answer will be FIVE because this will be considered as a one word answer. Now, talking about the instruction, write one word and or a number. This is the instruction where students tend to get confused the most. This instruction means that you can use a single word, a single number, or both as an answer. For an example, if you are given the question, how many years make a decade? Now, if you write TEN 10, this will be marked correct because it is a one word answer. If you write 10, that is one number, this is also correct. If you write 10, 10 and years in alphabets, this will also be correct because the instruction says that you can write one word or a number. Now, coming on to instruction number 3, which is write no more than two words. This instruction means that you can write a minimum of one word and a maximum of two words as an answer, but not more than that. For example, if the question is in which direction does the sun rise and you write in the east, it will be marked incorrect because this will be considered as three words. If you write east, it will be correct because it is one word and you are allowed to write a minimum of one word. If you write the east, it will also be correct as you are used to allowed a maximum of two words. Coming on to the last instruction, which is write no more than two words and or a number. Again, this is a tricky instruction as it consists of combination of number and word. This instruction means that your answer can have up to two words or just one number or both. For example, if the question is when is Valentine's Day celebrated and if you have written 14th of February, this will be considered as correct because 14 will be one number which is allowed of and February will be two words which are also allowed. Now, there are various tips and tricks which are to be followed while answering the IELTS listening test. To know about these tips, don't forget to follow us.